September 29th, 2021, Digital Design and Video. Today we are going to continue refining our skills with the pen tool, and we are going to do that with an activity known as the truck trace. So as in our other days, we have a link to our Photopea online software. We have a link to our image that we will need to download and then open in Photopea, and we have our slides that we will place our completed screenshot on. So to get started, we are going to download the truck. And I'm going to open that up in Photopea. All right. So you can see that there are some numbers to help guide you along the way. So I'm going to select my pen tool, and I want to set it to no fill, and I do want a trace. So I am going to start at the number 1, and I'm going to hold Shift to go to 2, Shift to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I will hold no keys between 7 and 8. I can hold the Shift key between 8 and 9, down to 10. Now, you can see 11 is not on a specific point. It's this curve. So I'm going to click to here. And then here, I'm going to do a click drag. Straight, straight. I can hold the Shift key here and here. And now I'm going to go into creating these curves. So I will come back and edit that point at the end, maybe that a little as well. Again, we're not necessarily going to have perfection, but our goal is to get very close. And please remember, I have done this exercise numerous times, so when you see me working on it versus how well it goes for you the first time, don't be alarmed. If you need to try several times, you can see mine is not perfect. There are definitely some areas that I need to go back and adjust some points. I am going to create a new layer to do the window, and I am going to hold the Shift key down while I'm making the window. And I'm going to put each tire on a new layer. You can see that I go the wrong way sometimes. Or most of the time. All right, now I am going to come back and edit some points. So I'm going to zoom in some of the first points that I am going to correct, and I'm going to correct them with this direct selection tool. I need to be on the right layer. So I accidentally have a curve in here that I don't really want. So somehow I'm accidentally creating another handle. I don't want to create a handle. I just want to move that point. All right, so I think for my truck, I want to move this point a little. And I think I want to clean a little bit up with my tire here. Looks closer. Check my last tire out. And I believe that looks better. So now this is what we are going to screenshot to turn in. You do need to screenshot your layers with that. So my screenshot. Again, my snipping tool still isn't working today. Something is funky with it. Well, just get rid of this guy. Use this tool. All right, so I've got my layers and I've got my truck. I don't really need my head, there we go. All right, so this is what I would, whoops, I put a little dot there. This is what I would copy, and back in classroom, I would place the screenshot on my assigned slides. And this is what I would turn in. So hopefully you enjoy your day, getting a little experience with the pencil. Have a good one. Bye-bye.